triterpene is the dark brown color portion of the mushroom which has got lot of ganoderic essence and it has got more than 200 active elements. So whenever a person is suffering from a hormonal problem, for example a thyroid problem, here the triterpene as well as the adenosine. The adenosine is effective vasodilator and it is called as the hormonal regulator in the body. So even today we don't have enough medicines to control the hormonal metabolism. So here in Ganoderma, the triterpene and the adenosine are two main components which help in many of the hormonal irregulation. Especially adenosine is very helpful for women, because when you talk about women, right from menarche to menopause, they go in for a lot of problems. The adenosine in Ganoderma is able to do the role and help them in suffering from these hormonal metabolisms. Next is diabetes. How it helps in diabetes is, here again Ganoderma by itself is an insulin supplementer. So you all should know insulin is the major hormone in the islet of Langerhans in our body. So once that is also regulated, you go in for diabetes or secondary problems. So here the Ganoderma by itself is the mushroom, helps in insulin supplementation, and another thing is the triterpene, which is an effective builder. So it is able to build up these cells. So these are the three most important things where the hormonal function is taken care of. Now next about the digestive system. You all should know that lot of things are taking place here, acid balance, everything is taking place. Now Gano by itself is a food, especially the triterpene in this is the effective regulator. So when a person is suffering from acidity or any other problem, when they are on this, it definitely helps them in keeping the acid level at a balance. And same way spirulina, which has come recently, it is the zero alkaline food and it is the one which does not contain any cholesterol. It is zero cholesterol food. Main component in spirulina is the chlorophyll, the xanthophyll and the phycocyanin. So these three things are very important. So once you take spirulina also, this helps in most of the irregulation which takes place in our body. So it is a zero alkaline food. That is why we say take spirulina in the morning hours in empty stomach, so that the acidity or anything is kept under control and your cholesterol, excess cholesterol is also taken out. With spirulina I have seen obesity control, it is very good, but even in obesity control they should consume, take good exercise and also diet regulation. It is very important.